In this video, here is a complete strategy to fix the storage full and clear hidden junk files on any Android phone without deleting the photos and videos. So let's jump straight into the step 1 to clean out the hidden app cache and residual files. These apps download temporary files like Instagram, Facebook that only takes 100 megabytes to install and can end up hogging 3 to 5 gigabytes. How you can clean up safely in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so at first you have to open your mobile phone setting. Next you have to scroll down and you have to find the app or app management. So you can move on the Google Chrome, tap on storage, and there is the clear cache. When I tap the clear cache, it drops straight to 0 and you can instantly get the hundreds of megabytes or even full of gigabytes of space since it's 0 right now. And you can repeat the same process for your top 5 heaviest apps like Instagram, Facebook, Chrome and Snapchat. In less than 2 minutes you will easily recover 4 to 6 gigabytes of free space without losing a single photo. So let's clean WhatsApp first without losing your personal chat history. To do that, you have to move on the WhatsApp. Next you have to click on the right corner onto dot, just tap on it and go into the settings. From here you can select the storage and data, then tap on it. Next you have to tap on the manage storage, just click on it. This item will be deleted from your WhatsApp media, but it may still be saved on your device. 6.3 MB instantly deleted. Let's even check the second major trap on your phone's gallery, trash. Many people used to think that when they hit delete on a photo or video in their gallery, it's gone forever and the space is freed up immediately. This is actually false. When you delete media on modern Android phones, it moves on to a temporary holding folder which is called recently deleted or trash, where it stays for 30 full days before it actually deleted. So to wipe this out, you have to open the gallery. Next you can just select the Photos app. You can just click on the album, scroll, here's the recently deleted. Select on it, then you just click on these buttons and click on the permanent deleted. Here it will delete it permanently. Okay, and now we have cleared the media junk. So let's check it out even on another device. Here's the albums, click on albums. Next you can select the albums, the same thing, click on recently deleted. From here you can delete recently. Okay friends, it's very easy. So now that we have cleared the media junk, you can move on the next step, where I will show you how to wipe out the system log files, and that is the mysterious to other storage category. Most people have no idea what this is or how to clear it because there isn't a simple delete button for it. This category is mostly made up for leftover app installation, package system, crash log and temporary thumbnails databases. So here is how we can break it down and wipe it clean. First you have to open the phone's built-in file manager or files by Google app. Here's the files by Google app. Then you can tap on the download folders. Here's the download folders. This is the I don't need anymore. Then I can delete this. Select it. Now you can delete it. This move to trash. Friends, this is how you can clean up or delete and watch your system storage drop immediately. Okay, and if you still face the problem, then there is the one top tier here. If your other storage is still unusually high. It's often caused by offline content saved inside streaming apps like Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube. You can open those individually, go to their download settings, and clear out all offline videos or music tracks you aren't listening to anymore. Suppose I would like to, so this is the YouTube. I tap on YouTube. After that, just confirm the password, and you can open this apps. So here's the delete button, just delete it, and this way you can clear this space. So that we have reclaimed that system space, let's move on to the step number 4, where I will show you 2 crucial settings to turn on the right. Friends, before we move on number 4, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. First you have to open the Google Play Store. Then you can tap on the profile picture in the top right corner, and you can select this setting. You can tap to general and look for an incredible built-in feature and call automatically. You have to turn on this switch, and this removes the heavier files to free up massive amounts of storage, but it keeps all your personal user data. Pairing these settings up with a regular photo cloud backup, and your phone will stay fast and clean all year around. And there you make it in just a few minutes, and you have brought your phone back to life without losing a single personal photo. You can drop a comment down below right now and let me know how many gigabytes did you manage to free up, and I will read every single comment. And if this tutorial helped you to fix your storage, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and mobile walkthroughs, so that your storage is sparkling clean. Your phone might still be suffering from battery drain. Click the video showing up on your screen right now, or to see the top 5 hidden battery settings you need to change immediately. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.